And now about the histological structure. Now, histological structure of the seminiferous tubule. The seminiferous tubule, it is about its diameter is about 0.2 mm and its length is about 50 centimeter. Now this tubule, seminiferous tubule, it has two parts mainly. The outer one is called the tunica propria. Tunica propria. Tunica propria. And the second part, that is the epithelial part. This epithelial part, it contains the spermatogenic cells. First of all, about the tunica propria. Now this tunica propria, that is formed by the fibroelastic fibers. It is formed by the fibroelastic fibers and it contains flattened cells called myoid cell. Myoid cells where in the outer region in tunica propria, and these myoid cells, they help in the transfer of spermatozoa through these seminiferous tubules. Now, the epithelial part, that is the stratified epithelium. Now this stratified epithelium, it contains two types of cells. One type of cell, these cells, lightly stained cells, they are called the Sertoli cells. This one is Sertoli cell, this one is Sertoli cell, and this one is also a Sertoli cell. Then, in between the two Sertoli cells, there is a space called the intercellular space between two Sertoli cells. This one is the intercellular space, and this one is the intercellular space between two cells. This one is the intercellular space between two Sertoli cells. Now, the Sertoli cells, these are the tall columnar cells. And these cells, they have nucleus near the basal region, and on its lateral side it has these pits or concavities, and anteriorly toward the luminal side is also this concavity. So this one is the concavity, this one concavity, all these are concavities, this one is the concavity or pit also. Now these pits, here they support these cells, spermatogenic cells, and here anteriorly they contain the spermatids. So these grooves, they contain the spermatogenic cells, they contain the spermatid, all these cells, they are the supporting cell. They provide physical and nutritional support to these cells, to spermatogenic cells, and to the spermatids. Now, between these two Sertoli cells, I told you this area is called the intercellular space, and this intercellular space, it contains these cells. It contains these cells, and these cells at the periphery are the cells inside the basal lamina. Inside the basal lamina, these cells, they are called the spermatogonia. They are called the spermatogonia. This one is another seminiferous tubule, and at the periphery, these small cells with rounded nucleus, that is called the spermatogonia. So these at the periphery outer side, these small cells with rounded nucleus, that is called the spermatogonia inside the basal lamina. Then each spermatogonia, it divides into two larger cells. Now here you can see this one is the spermatogonia, the outermost layer. Then it divides into two larger cells. These larger cells, they are called the primary spermatocytes. Here, these larger cells, smaller spermatogonia. Then each cell, spermatogonia, divides into two larger cells called the primary spermatocytes. Called the primary spermatocytes, they have larger nucleus, and then each primary spermatocyte, it again divides into smaller spermatocytes toward the lumen. Now here, this one is the outer layer, and this one is the luminar layer, or basal layer and luminar layer. So this one is the basal layer, this one is the luminar layer. We started from the basal layer, and now we are reaching towards the luminal portion. Spermatogonia, it divides into each one divides into two larger spermatocytes called the primary spermatocytes. These primary spermatocytes, these one, they further divide near the lumen into smaller spermatocytes called the secondary spermatocytes. Called the secondary spermatocytes. When these secondary spermatocytes, the tail appears in these secondary spermatocytes near the lumen, then these secondary spermatocytes, they are called the spermatids. These are the immature sperm. These are the immature sperms. Then these spermatids, by the process of spermiogenesis, they become a spermatozoon, a mature sperm cell. Mature sperm cell. That was about the structure of the seminiferous tubule. Then this was the exocrine part of the testis, through which these sperms or spermatozoa, they pass through the lumen of the seminiferous tubule. This was exocrine part. Then the endocrine part of the testis. This endocrine part of the testis, here between the seminiferous tubule, this one is a tubule, this one, this one, this one, all these are the seminiferous tubules. In between seminiferous tubules, this space, it contains larger cells. They are larger than the spermatocytes. These cells, they are called the interstitial cells of Leydig. These cells, in between the seminiferous tubules, in these spaces, it is called these are called interstitial cells of Leydig. And these cells, this one is the endocrine part of the testis, and these cells, they secrete testosterone. Testosterone. So, the exocrine part, the tubules through which the spermatozoa passes, and the endocrine part, these larger cells with rounded nucleus, they are light in color.